Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Robinhood is giving away SHIB worth $100K to 10,000 users, after recently announcing the listing of Shiba Inu, SHIB, with Solana, SOL, Polygon, Matic, and Compound Comp, commission-free investment platform. Robinhood has announced there is more in store for its users. Indeed, the investment platform revealed, after announcing the listing of SHIB on Twitter, that it is giving away $100,000 worth of SHIB to 10,000 users. You can find your Robinhood username on your profile inside the account page, says the platform in a subsequent tweet, providing instructions on locating the username. Users must be among the first 10,000 customers to retweet the giveaway link in order to be eligible to win, with the deadline for participation finishing on April 12, 2022, at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. In particular, the rewards will be accessible for redemption in the app within 24 hours of the retweet being made, providing any collateral that might otherwise be needed. Once someone can mint infinite tokens, they can sell them on the market, crushing a token's price. Second news today about BlockTackle raises $5 million to develop Solana NFT skateboarding game. Veteran video game developers are pouring into the blockchain space, if recent studio funding announcements are any indication, and here's another to add to the list. Today, startup BlockTackle announced that it has raised $5 million to develop a Solana-based skateboarding game called SkateX with a team of experienced developers. The $5 million seed round was led by Play Ventures and Cadenza Ventures. An array of other notable investors also participated, such as Coinbase Ventures, Solana Ventures, leading metaverse investor Animoca Brands, and Twitch co-founder Kevin Lin. BlockTackle is a new Web3 gaming studio co-founded by Ben Topkins and Rob Oshima, who previously worked together at mobile gaming firm Kabam. The 13-person team also includes veterans of Electronic Arts, Apple, Roblox, Lucasfilm, and Supercell. While working on hit free-to-play mobile fees and swapping fees accrued from transactions. While Luna is deflationary due to this, ADA currently has an inflation rate of around 5.7% per year. The inflation rate of ADA will slowly reduce to 0% when all 45 billion ADA tokens are issued. Similarly, SOL issuance began at an inflation rate of 8% per year, but is set to decrease every year until it settles at 1.5% per year. The market pundit points out that being inflationary, SOL and ADA are unsustainable, unlike Luna. This is because they punish non-stakers by diluting the worth of their holdings. Was Luna's ascendance foretold? The climb Luna has seen is coming after the blockchain has been growing in popularity. Sandyman previously pointed out that the social media mentions of Terra has been on the rise. The social sentiment tracker said it expected to see at least a 20% to 30% increase in the price of Luna. However, Terraform Labs, the developers behind the blockchain, has been dealing with scrutiny from the SEC. Last week, U.S. federal judge ruled that Do Kwon, the CEO of Terraform Labs, should respond to the SEC subpoena filed in November. Luna continues to surge even as the market is watching for the outcome of the case. On the day, Luna is trading at around $93, up 6.77%, to stake for governance purposes, and is given as a reward to validators. Otherwise, Solana has its own decentralized exchanges to trade the various tokens built on top of its platform. Every dApp built on Solana is sure to have its own SOL-compatible token, and on-chain decentralized exchanges provide an accessible way to buy said tokens now, because Solana's PO consensus allows it to process tens of thousands of transactions per second without fees. Solana Labs is building Solana Pay to provide that transaction power to the masses. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. Sol will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Sol price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for Sol will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. Sol price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Sol will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. Sol rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Sol is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Sol will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Sol ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027. Solana's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Sol could reach $886.45 by 2027, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $731.64 for 2027, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2027. Solana price prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is